Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a 3-piece guest bedroom set that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. Let's begin with our nightstand, starting with a 2x3x2 cupboard. We're going to flip this over. Let's set down 4 studs, one in each corner. These are going to be our little legs for our nightstand to lift it up off the floor. Usually the last one's hard to get in. Then we're going to flip this right side up, and I want to populate the cupboard container with 2 drawers. Then I'm going to set down a 1x2 jumper plate, followed by a pair of 1x2 flat tiles for the top of the nightstand. And for a little lamp, a 1x1 nose cone, set that right on top of the jumper plate, and a transparent yellow stud. We'll just set that right there for a little light bulb, and a 2x2 dome for a lampshade. For our small dresser, take a 2x3x2 cupboard. We're going to flip this over, and I'm going to set down a 1x4 plate where it's hanging over 2 studs. I'm going to take another 2x3x2 cupboard, place this one on the other side of the 1x4 plate. Then a set of studs for legs. Place these in all 4 corners. And then we're going to flip our dresser right side up. In the center, we're going to place a 1x2 plate and a 1x2 flat tile, followed by a set of 2x2 jumper plates. The jumper plates are going to be used to attach accessories to the top of the dresser. Then I'm going to populate the dresser with 4 drawers. We'll just set these inside our cupboard. If you choose, you can put some doors on there. For a mirror, take a 1x2x2 brick. If you want, you can stick a foil print sticker on there like I did. And then I'm going to crown off the top with a set of 1x1x2/3 plate with bow. We're just going to set that right on top. Everything lined up. And a hollow stud. We're going to place that right here. That's going to be our flower pot. So I'm going to take one of these small little stem pieces, place this right in here, and then I'm going to populate it with some of these type of flowers. These are the only ones that will work on these type of stems. You could use regular ones, but you won't be able to populate all the limb assemblies. So we're just going to stick those on there and just kind of rotate them on. Just don't jam them in there. You may break one of these little limb pieces, and that would not be a good idea. There's our little dresser. For the guest bed, take a pair of 2x4 plates. I'm going to place one on top of the other in such a way where we have a 1 stud reveal on this side. Then I'm going to slide in another 2x4 plate in this area, followed by a 2x4 plate in the back right underneath the previous 2x4 plate. Then I'm going to flip the assembly over and take 3 1x4 plates. I'm going to place one right here and 2 along the sides, and a 1x6 plate right here in this back portion. Let's flip our assembly over, and in these 2 areas here, a set of studs. On the back, let's stack a set of 1x6 plates right on top of one another. Along the sides, a pair of 1x4 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. We'll place these here, and in the center, a set of 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. And I want to kind of round off the corner of the bed with a pair of 2x2 outside corner brick with bow. Right by the 1x6 plates, a set of 1x2 jumper plates. These are going to be used to attach our pillows. And in the area for our comforter, set of 2x4 flat tiles. Now you can do any type of pattern you wish. I decided to keep this one simple. Push those right down in there. And for pillows, a pair of 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. For a headboard, let's take a 1x4 by 1 2/3 window with arch, place that right back there. And for post, a 1x1 round brick and a little ice cream topper. Yes, it does sound silly, but we're going to need to make 2 of these and stick these right here. And to lift our bed off the floor, 4 studs. So I'm going to place 2 of these, one on the 1x6 plate and the other 2 on the 1x4 plate, closest to the bottom, right here. And this completes the guest bed.